Microsoft Store is a container that allows us to obtain the application with different categories. We can even install an app that we used to use on Android, like WhatsApp, Line, Instagram, and so forth. This application is known as the Concept Universal Windows Platform. But did you know that now the application obtained through the Microsoft Store require permission to the system? For example, permission to access your location, documents, camera, microphone, photos, and so on. That way, you need to restrict app access permissions to keep confidentiality information, personal information stored on your computer. Well, in this video, we're gonna be arranging application permission, or known by the term Universal Windows Platform. So, it's pretty easy to do. Right-click on Start. Then select the setting. Next, select Privacy. Next, select Location. Well, here it is. Change button, just click. This must be on. Right means if shifted to the left, so off. Swipe to the right, he so on after on. Swipe down. Well, here he is. If we want to set permission. Permission, I mean, on the application. For example, WhatsApp, if we swipe like this, then he will request permission or permission. Yeah, if you go right. Well, that's the way. So, it's pretty easy, right guys? Way to grant access permission on application in Windows operating system. Hopefully tutorial this is useful.